Hello and welcome to a tutorial video for the image scraper. This is the image scraper interface. Today's keyword example is cat. I can generate AI images. My other options are to scrape Bing or YouTube for images. I can also go to Creative Commons, Unsplash, Bing, Pixebay, and Pexels, and these are copyright-free images. Clicking search, I am limiting the number of images to return to 15. You can see a preview of all the images here. I can click to select images. I can clear my selection. I can select all. When I click select all with already selected images, it does a invert select all. With my images selected, I can copy the data URL, which is just the base64 image. I can copy the image URL and I can save my images to the hard drive. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, seocontentmachine.com and get in contact with us.